My name's Jessica. This is
Amanda.
Yay! Yeah, and we're about to do an MV reaction to.
Super Junior D&D Growing Pains.
And we're gonna do that now because we like Super Junior. You go ahead.
Oh, it's 12. You hit me in the butt.
It's an accident.
Oh, you look so cute. What? How dare you add? Is he like in a hypnosis?
차가운 네 밤거리도 가슴 아픈 발걸음도 언젠가는 지나가겠지 미치도록 우리 사랑했던 기억들 정말 천천히 흘러넘겨가 시간을 옮겨 잊혀지겠지 다쳐버린 너의 눈으로 찾아가봐도
Why would you do that?
이미 망했어 이미 깨져버린 우리의 모습을 발견해
Did they bump into each other?
그래도 너는 나만큼 더 아프지 않게 매일 바랄 수 없이도 너는 나만큼 기억하지 않게 나보다 내 찾길
Like memories? Where's the flowers? I thought they ran into each other again.
너로 꽉 찼던 생각들조차 귀찮다는 듯이 나를 밀어내 시계바늘들을 쫓아 시간 따라가다 떠나가는 너를 발견해 지금 나는 너무 급해 넌 달려가는 급행
I love their outfits.
매일 발걸음을 보채 추억의 굴복해 이제 우리들은 그저 낙서 가득한 나가버린 꽃에 잃어버린 나의 기억 속으로 찾아가봐도
Was it who's holding the microphone?
볼 수가 없었어 사라져버린 우리의 시간을 발견해서 아파서 그래도 너는 나만큼 더 아프지 않게 매일 바랄 수 없이도 너는 나만큼 기억하지 않게 나보다 내 찾길 바래 오늘 내일도
I really like dirty, sexy. He ran out of the way just to throw her flowers away? Oh. He takes one.
오늘도 내려놔 잊혀지나봐 잘 보이지 않나
How dare you?
시간이 다 됐나봐 그래도 너는 나만큼 더 아프지 않게
She picked up one rose just to slam it on the ground.
I know.
That was so rude. So mean.
Why?
Ooh.
That's a nice Carlos. It turned green. So he like
Trying to erase their memories.
maybe.
Yeah, because it said a ring.
Oh yeah. The ring is like in a pawn shop or something. Are they dating the same girl? What? What?
I mean, I think I get it, but I don't.
I think I get it, but I don't get it.
You want me to explain my thinking process and then you explain yours?
Yeah.
Okay, so their magical powers or whatever, or like the hypnosis.
I was like, what?
Both of them go to the guy who's gonna erase their bad memories of their ex-girlfriend. Like they both had rough issues. For one, I think Enyuk had like a really bad relationship with this a really jerky girl.
Yeah.
Just saying, because she's a butthead. Like, don't even.
Who picks up one rose and then tosses it?
I know.
What is that?
Oh, that was so rude.
Oh, my
But
lip fell
then,
asleep.
I mean, I guess he has a reasonable reason to want to forget about that
reason.
because he wanted to
Yeah.
marry her, and
Yeah,
then she like
what?
says no. Like,
No,
jerk?
it's like she like said yes because she had the ring on
Yeah,
her already.
and then she
but
said
then
no.
like maybe like down the road or something, she just like here.
Yeah.
I don't want it.
And he didn't
Goodbye.
want to remember that.
Yeah.
So he went to the hypnosis person and got his memory erased
Erased.
first, and then I'm guessing Dong Ho did. Oh wait,
Dong Hae.
Dong
Wrong
Hae.
person.
Yeah, I always call him Dong Ho first. You know why? But you
Yeah.
guys don't know why. Never mind. After him, I'm thinking he's trying to think through the process. And maybe they're remembering a little bit of it too
Maybe.
after. Like when they bump into each other, they start to remember a little bit of it.
Maybe. Like, were they dating the same girl, or...
I don't think it was the same girl.
It looked like it. I couldn't really see the other girl,
I
though.
couldn't see. Yeah.
They both had long hair, that's all I know. That's all I know. They both look crit from behind.
I don't know, but you want to explain your?
That's basically what I was thinking, too. Like...
In the end, it was like kind of the beginning.
Sure. I'll say that.
Like they just erased their memories, so they're starting.
Over.
Yeah, I guess. And then maybe they bumped into each other. Maybe
Like, but...
because every time they they
Eunhyuk
would
was...
just remember. Dong Hae would remember little parts. Like I think the gray parts were the things he was remembering.
Yeah. But, Eunhyuk, like, he was walking down the street whenever he had those flowers, those roses, and he bumped into someone else, and then he
Maybe
just kept walking.
Maybe that was like a memory for him when he bumped in,
Maybe.
because he bumped into him the same way that.
He bumped into Dong Hae. That girl, though,
That made me so mad.
It was, no. Like, why?
Anyways, that was my thinking process. Tell me what you think.
They look
though,
so
because I was
happy,
so-
and then all of a sudden, like, oh yeah, Dong Hae, he threw her down or something. She started to like fight him or something. Then
Yeah,
he
what was
just,
that
like,
about?
What was that? That made no like.
maybe
Did she get angry at him or something? We should probably look up the English lyrics though.
Yeah, that was very interesting.
Yeah.
I think it was kind of sad. Anyway.
It was.
But thank you for watching, and have a nice day.